Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Funsho Sapsing, and I just want to say thank you for all your love and your support, for subscribing to this YouTube channel. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet, please, this is the opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to get first-hand information on any new content that I drop on this channel. Okay, having said that, I'm just going to be showing you, as you can already see, my back office. I'm just waiting for the remaining funds in transaction to hit my wallet balance before I make a withdrawal. This will be my third withdrawal, and I just want to make that withdrawal with you guys while you're watching, just to show you how far on this journey. For those of you that don't know, my initial investment was about 300 plus, and then I topped it up to about 900 and something, about $900. And ever since then, I have been trading with that. So whatever you're seeing in my account balance stems from the $900 that I invested from scratch. Okay, let me refresh it again and see if it's so. We're still waiting for the money, the 25 USDT left in transaction to hit the wallet balance, and then I can make a successful withdrawal. So for those that don't understand what this is about, all I'm doing is waiting for the money that has been trading for the past 2 hours to hit the wallet balance. So as you can see, 1,252.615 has already hit my wallet balance over here. So I'm just waiting for the remaining 25 USDT to hit this wallet balance, and then I'm good to go. So let's refresh again and see if it's ready to hit the wallet balance. Okay, so not yet ready. While we are waiting, let me just quickly show you again my withdrawal records. As you can see, I have only made 2 withdrawals. The first one was on the 31st of March, 101. The second one was on the 9th of April, 259. And then I'll be making my third one today. So you can do the maths yourself. I made a withdrawal. The first one was on the 31st of March, and 9 days after I withdrew 259. And that's on the 9th. Today is the 16th. So that's 9 days plus 7, making 16. So 7 days after, we will find out how much I'm about to withdraw now by compounding my daily return on investment. So 7 days after, here we are. Let's have a look at the transaction hall. Okay, let's refresh again and see if it's hit the account. Okay, there you go. As you can see, all the funds are now in my wallet balance. Now, guys, let's go and make the next withdrawal. So you go to mine, bottom right of your page. It will show you your total asset and give you the option to withdraw. Let's do this. Okay. My available balance is 1,277. I want to leave 1,000 in my account and withdraw 277. So 277 plus 69.69. So I'm withdrawing 277.69. So the fees, after the fees, 0.3%, I'll be getting 276.856, which I'm happy about. Now my transaction password. Okay, facial recognition authentication. Remember what happened the last time? Okay, send verification code to my mobile phone. Waiting patiently for verification code. It's almost time up. Verification code hasn't arrived yet. Okay, let's go again. Send verification code. There you go. So sometimes you have to try twice. We'll be patient. 289, 283. Now submit. Successful submission, confirm. There you go. How much do I have left in my account balance to trade? So let's look. We've got 1,000 left. So what do? Compete for trade immediately again. I'm loving this, guys. I am absolutely loving this. So let's compete for trade again. I'm not selling to this guy because he's Nigerian, guys. Don't get me wrong. I'm just happy with how much he's willing to pay. Business. That's how it is. That's how it is. Trading, trading. Aldana traders. There you go. How much do we have left? Okay, guys, so I've just shown you how to trade again, apart from the video I made on how to trade. So that's a bonus for you guys. That's all. I'm done. This is all you need to do. When we say you're manually trading, this is what we mean. It's nothing difficult. You don't have to have prior experience. You don't have to have trading experience. You don't have to wreck your head too much. You don't have to stress yourself too much. Just see the market price, see the buyer, happy to sell, sell. That's all. That's how we roll. So thank you guys for watching. If you have watched to the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect opportunity for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever I drop new content. Thank you guys, and let's keep winning.